Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful fruit salad custard. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You will need a variety of fruits such as grapes, apples, bananas, and berries, all washed and chopped. For the custard, prepare 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 egg yolks, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that luscious custard base. In a bowl, whisk 2 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and creamy. Gently heat 2 cups of milk in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously, then return everything to the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the custard thickens beautifully. With your custard perfectly made, it's time to bring everything together. It is crucial to let the custard cool completely to room temperature before adding your prepared fruits. Once cooled, gently fold in all your colorful, chopped fruits. Transfer this delightful mixture into a beautiful serving bowl or individual dishes. For the best flavor and texture, chill the fruit salad custard in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Finally, your delicious fruit salad custard is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it chilled for a truly refreshing experience. You can elevate its presentation with a light sprinkle of cinnamon or a few fresh mint leaves. Feel free to get creative with your fruit choices. Mango, kiwi, or even pineapple work wonderfully. A dash of vanilla extract or a pinch of cardamom can also add an extra layer of delightful flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.